Hey everybody, this is Matt from MCAS. This is my daughter Kelsey, and we're going to talk about how we used raw colostrum to help her stomach and help her recover after mold illness. And I'll talk about all the things that it did for her, and we'll go over all of that and my experiences briefly with colostrum. So as you may know, I used colostrum myself for a number of years. I drank thousands of gallons of the stuff, but it made a huge difference in my gut health. It helped me recover, helped me gain a lot of weight, helped me get rid of systemic candida, overcome bacterial infections, overcome all kind of other stuff. But you know, it got to a point where unfortunately I was in a place where my daughter was sick and Kelsey was real sick. I got custody of her, she was real sick, and I didn't know what to do. So I went straight to the colostrum, right? But the colostrum didn't work because she would start coughing and she would start having asthma attacks and things like that. And I didn't understand what was going on. Years later, finally, eventually, we realized that she couldn't tolerate the colostrum at the time because she was living in mold and we were living in mold, and her little body could not break down the fats or not break down the milk in general because it was just so wrecked from the black mold. So eventually we got her out of the black mold, right? And got her into a place that was actually clean environmentally. And within a matter of about a few weeks, she started to tolerate the colostrum. And I gave it to her, and you know, she actually had quite the cleansing reaction. She started going to the bathroom every day again. She was only going to the bathroom twice a week before, so she started going to the bathroom every day again. But she had like little scabs that kind of broke out in her legs. She had a rash that broke out around her neck. There was ongoing infections internally that the colostrum stimulated the removal of, and it was pretty amazing. I mean, the rash around her neck was really extreme in the first couple weeks, and it lasted for up to like 45 days. It eventually went away and never came back, you know. And then the marks on her legs, she had like really bad eczema all over her legs, and you know, it was constant. And you know, these scabs and spots, once they showed up and they scabbed for the first time, they never came back. It was pretty amazing. You know, her skin has been good ever since. And you know, also she used to get blushing redness around her cheeks. She used to have, you know, issues with her stomach. She complained about her stomach. She wouldn't break down certain foods well. She'd have intolerances to certain foods. So, you know, the colostrum really was a big difference maker, and it helped her to gain weight too. It helped her, I could tell neurologically, it helped her calm down. What do you think, Kelsey? Did it help you?
Yes.
We call it the medicine milk, okay? The medicine milk. So we love the medicine milk, right? We drink it raw. Sometimes we ferment it. You know, a lot of the time we ferment it because we really like fermenting. It seems to work out really well for us. But if you have a child that's struggling with gut issues, has chronic health issues, and you know, colostrum could be a lifesaver. It was for me. It was for us. I've worked with plenty of people who have used it. And you know, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Definitely can be an absolute game changer. Can calm down the immune system, get rid of the bacterial issues, get rid of the fungal issues, get rid of the systemic infections, you know, boost the immune system, get it to start functioning normally. These have been my experiences with it. And you know, it's just because it's milk. If you don't think you tolerate milk, just realize it's not milk until 36 hours after the calf is born. It's a different type of substance. It contains immunoglobulins, contains antibodies, contains growth factors, repair factors, things to help stimulate the repair of damaged organs, the gut lining, all that. So colostrum could be a miracle. We call it the medicine milk, the miracle milk, for a reason. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're going to use it, do something like 4 ounces initially. In my experience, you work your way up to 8 ounces with the kid, max of about 8 ounces. She's only 8 years old right now, so max at about 8 ounces. But if you're an adult, you're going up to 12 ounces to really get the full effects, as long as you can tolerate it. Empty stomach first thing in the morning, at least 90 minutes before food. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to my website, endsickness.org. I got hundreds of articles, hundreds of videos teaching you how to heal yourself. One day she's going to be teaching everybody when I'm all done with this. And thanks for watching. Take care.